guys, I'm back and today I'm going to be showing you a tour of my new bird aviary. Just got it for my birthday a couple days ago and Sparky loves it. He's a cockatoo. And yeah, I'll just be showing you around and what I have inside. So he's going to be entertained in getting that bolt off, which I've already done up like 10 times in 2 days. So to start off with, I have this long perch along there that goes from his food bowl, fruit bowl to water bowl. I have this one along there, this one on the top, and that rope perch. And people say, yep, there goes one. Now I was going to do the other one. People say that dowel perches are bad for the feet because they're all the same size, but I actually the bird cage comes with that one, and then I went out to Bunnings and then I bought a bigger sized one or smaller sized one, so they're not always on the same texture. And then he has that rope perch, which is all sorts of, yep, there goes both of them. You can see those 2 bolts at the start, there's not anymore. Yeah, so he likes the dowel perches best because he always puts his beak on and rubs it along like that. And when people say that the rope perches are bad for the birds if you leave it in their cage, they might get stuck. When it gets long, like they could get stuck, I just cut it with scissors, just stop it from getting cut. And then over on the side here, I'll show you how it opens and locks. And then you can just lift that food out and then just push it back up. And that's his shredding toy I got also for my birthday. He loves that. That's within 1 day. All that mess is within 1 day. Yeah, he's still got some celery in there. So this is the door. So it's just like that, and it goes around about 90 degrees. And this is the seed guard. This is really good because it stops a lot of mess. Oh, you dropped your treat. Oh, there you go. Yeah, and this perch here is for going up the top, and these top parts open, but I don't really like them open. He just likes to sit up top. He actually doesn't use them when they're open. He just sits on this top part here that doesn't get opened. Yeah. It has 4 wheels, 2 at the back as well, and on that wheel and that wheel they have locks. I've got these towels on the ground because in Australia right now it's like -1 degrees and your feet get freezing if you're not walking on the concrete. So I just put some towels down. Well, yeah, in his seed I just broke up some millet for a treat as well. This toy's really good. He likes getting all those long things. And I'm not sure if he's got it yet. I'll see if, not the bell's lasted. Usually within 2 minutes he already gets a bell out, but he leaves it, which is good. But yeah, it's got the sea guards all around the outside. I change his water every day, and when we go away camping a fair bit, so why we're camping, I get a padlock, put it on there, padlock, put it on there, and I do the same for the food bowl, because these aren't really good locks. If he accidentally push this, and then that come out just a little bit, and he hops on his food bowl, that could push out. Not that he would go anywhere, he'll just go straight up there and stay there, but yeah, it probably wouldn't be best. Sorry, just dropped his tree. And then it's got this grate, and it's got that big tray that I take the newspaper out every Wednesday and Sunday. But yeah, he's a really good boy, aren't you? He doesn't bite. What are you doing? What are you doing? You see how, because my fingers are smooth, you see how it looked like he was biting me, but he was just, like what I showed you, just dragging his beak along. Well, I guess that's really it. He doesn't have many toys in here yet, but he's out most of his life. He's only really in there when I go to school and at night, and it's safe for going over the street. That's the only time he's in his cage. Do you like the iPad? Well, yeah, that's my bird cage tour, I guess. So please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. That would be really good, wouldn't it? You say bye to everyone? Good boy. See ya. Bye.